Right, I may have mentioned in a previous video, God, I can't believe that. Right, I came back from this at, well, the last time that this was out was about 12 o'clock today. It's now 7:45, and this engine is still warm. What's that? Oh, oil. Right, okay. Anyway, as you can see, I have taped around this pipe because this is the pipe that has gone kaput. And let's just see whether this is about the right one. Yes, it is. Right, so anyway, the turbo pipe, what the fuck was that? I have no fucking idea. Oh, right, okay. Need to lock that in, and lock that in there, and lock that in there. Right, that's a bit better. So anyway, changing one of these pipes out. In my experience, they are easier to change out with, oh fuck off, they are easy to change out with a socket, 7mm. So there we is. As you can see, now that's all nice and loose. Okay, we'll just have a little look. Right, okay. Right, this, I think that this is an anti-vibration device, because when the aircon motor's been recharged, and the aircon's absolutely wonderful, but since the aircon motor's been recharged, I'm getting a lot of vibration, which I think was coming from the engine. So I think it was the fact that I didn't have this on. I think that this might be some sort of counterbalance or some sort of damper or something. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm just checking here to make sure that everything looks as it should, which it does. Okay, so, and then, so we got the top pipe undone, we got the top Jubilee clip undone. Okay, we'll slap that down there, and then we have to get access to, I'm not sure if you can see that or not. I think you can just say see. Yeah, there it is. The Jubilee clip. So now I've got to undo that Jubilee clip, which I'm going to need 2 hands for. Once the pipe's off, I'll come back. Anyway, that aside, what I've done, now that's just hot tap water, it's not boiled water, it's not been boiled in a kettle or anything like that, or boiled in a pan on the cooker. It's just tap water, hot tap water, about 50-60 degrees. Okay, what I want to do is that I need to make that bottom bit as pliable as I can so I can slip it on. Once it slips over, pulling it down will be a piece of piss, and then it's just a case of sort of like put the Jubilee clip on, and then just tighten up the Jubilee clip up enough so it won't go over the little thing, because there's like lips on the side of it. As the pipe comes up, it's got like little lips, and the Jubilee clip goes behind those little lips. Okay, so you tighten it up just enough so you can get the movement on the top, and then slip the top end of the pipe onto the EGR valve, and then of course putting the Jubilee clip on first, and then just tighten everything up, and that's it. It's changed as quick as that. The fiddly bit about this is actually getting the new pipe on, because of course with the new pipe being new, I mean you can see how flexible, well, see, and then when we look at the new pipe, it's reluctant. Okay, so we'll just fling a bit of water off. Right, I'm going to need 2 hands for this again, so I shall be back shortly. Well, after much pissing around, as you can see, the new pipe is now on, and just give it a quick tug. Yep, that's fine, and it's not coming off. Right, but nah, it what should have been a 5-minute job turned into a 25-minute fucking job. But then again, that's the nature of new pipes when putting them on. So this is only a quick video and a quick upload, but that's basically how you change out your turbo pipe. The one thing I am curious about is, right, let me just, right, there's that. Now, I don't know whether you can see that or not, but bright light. But, and this is not advisable, do not do this. Yeah, I'm not going to do it. But there's a lot of vibration coming off the tensioner. So I got a feeling that the tensioner might have to be replaced. But anyway, now apparently now, I'd love to know what that hissing is. Yeah, because it's definitely coming from this corner. But there's no gas spray or anything like that. But fuck it. Where's my keys? Oh, they're still in the ignition. But anyway, so that is what happened to this old pipe. And to be fair, it's yeah, to be fair, it's fairly soft and pliable. So there's, you know, I mean, for all I know, that could be the original pipe on the car. But anyway, that's that done. So the next thing that I got to get sorted out is the brakes, which Dan's doing for me because I keep doing it and redoing it and it keeps doing the same fucking shit. What the fuck is that? Oh, socket. Stick the socket in my pocket and tip the pan of water out. Right, okay, yeah, so the brakes are all going to get bled and the fluid replaced again. That should sort the brakes out. For whatever reason it blew It blew a brake light bulb on the way into Nottingham this morning. So I'm seriously considering that maybe it's time for me to replace all the bulbs. But anyway, that's the end of that. That can go in there. And that's it. That's us done, folks. So as I say, short little video, changing out the turbo pipe. Everything should be good. See you in a future video.